Well guys, it's about time that I start molding this one. And I've been kind of slacking off, so might as well start. I am going to be using latex or either polyurethane, but it doesn't matter because we're going to have to make shims and divide it first. So what I'm going to be using are these shims that I use on another sculpture. I think I'm going to go right down through the ears and down this way and down the trapezius all the way down and kind of just shim it right over here. I'm putting these shims all along here. I'm trying to go all around the sculpture. And it's quite time consuming, but I'm already at the top here. Almost half of it is done. But the idea is that I'm going to put the mold here on one side, then I'll have this on this side, but I probably need to create some sort of registration. I am going to be using latex for this. I wasn't sure I was going to use latex because of the clay that I'm using. I'm not really sure what it is because it was given to me. I do not know if it will work. So what I'm going to be doing is using latex. It's called Environ Molds from Summit, New Jersey. Premium liquid latex for rubber mold making. Seals tightly after use, do not freeze. I got another one. It was a different brand, but the reason I got this one was because they were out of the other one. But this should do the same thing. Basically, this will take you maybe 3 weeks. Not like all the time. You just brush on a mold and that's it. You just brush it on. That's all you need to do. Every day come in, brush in a layer, and just after like 10, 20 layers. Using a new brush, always nice. There we go. Actually smell the ammonia, which is exactly what latex is, but it's a natural product, which is kind of interesting. This is a little bit strange. You just apply it. One thin coat in the beginning, that's all you need. Whew, it's smelly. I'm going to apply it up to the shims like this. Every single crevice needs to be filled. Like that. And you do not want to apply this initial coat very thick. Latex is a thin application, that's why it takes forever. But the latex itself lasts a lot longer than polyurethane. Don't make it too thick, just brush over. If you see any puddling with the latex, just remove it. I think one of the things I did wrong with my previous latex molds is that I made it too thick initially, and then it bubbled over. I started like creating bubbles. At least I think that's the cause. If you look at the Python versus alligator one, or the alligator sculpture, they had the lifting that was happening. So here's the back. Also, it's very front heavy. Start a latex mold of a full-size sculpture. Or at least this is how I will do it, but I am not an expert at it. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.